students, today we are going to begin the first chapter of English 1, conversation. So what is basically a conversation? When two or more people, when they meet at a time and when they start speaking, when they start sharing their thoughts and feelings with each other, that is basically a conversation. Conversation happens when we gather, when we come in contact with other person. So you can converse with your families, with your friends. We converse over the phone, through social medias. So all these types, all this action, that is what we speak from our mouth, and when the other person listens and replies back, that is basically a conversation. So the first chapter of English 1, conversation, gives us that type of idea of conversation in the characteristics of two characteristics here, that is mouse and rat. So this poem conversation is written by Rose Fleeman. So in this poem we are going to learn their converse, or what they talk, or what they have conversing with each other. So the first line goes like this: Mousy, mousy, where is your little wee housey? Here is the door under the floor, said Mousy, mousy. So who is calling Mousy, mousy here? The cat is calling rat Mousy, mousy, like as if they are very friendly, so that it can come out. But what the rat replied, the Mousy replied, it is showing where the house is. It is telling that here is the door under the floor. So mostly the mouse, they dig the floor and they stay in that type of houses. So their houses are on the corner of the floor or under some floor and ground, like that. So here the mouse is showing the way, the door of the rat, the house of the rat, that is under the floor, said Mousy, mousy. And the next stanza is: Mousy, mousy, may I come into your housey? You can't get in, you have to be thin, said Mousy, mousy. So again the cat is asking Mousy that, Mousy, mousy, may I come into your house? So the cat is requesting the rat to shall I come to your house? Shall I see your house, how it is? So then the rat, the mouse replied, you can't get in because you have to be thin, because it's the rat is bigger than the rat, right? So their houses, or they are the doors that they build according to their size, it's very small, so they can't enter. So what the rat replied to cat, you are very big, you have to be small, you have to be thin, only then you can enter. Then said the Mousy is replying to the cat. Again the next, the last stanza is: Mousy, mousy, won't you come out of your house? I am so sorry to say, I am busy all day, said Mousy, mousy. Again in that cunning way, the cat is trying to convince the rat to come out of its house. So but what in a different cunning way, that again the rat is also very smart, answering that I am very sorry to say that I am busy all day, so I cannot come, I am very sorry, said Mousy, mousy. So in that way the rat escaped from the trap of the cat, and the cat was trying to get in a very different way to grab that and eat it, because the cat eat rats, so that's that they hunt. Okay, so in that matter here the cat didn't succeed in his plan, and the rat got its life safe. So this is what the poem is all about, talking about the two characteristics and what is the conversation, what happens, the conversing with two or more people, that is mainly a conversation.